Welcome to this tutorial on speeding up Simulink. In this session, we will explore using parallel build with model reference. In the Configuration Parameters panel of Simulink, the Enable Parallel Model Reference Builds parameter determines whether to build a model reference hierarchy in parallel when possible. For models with large model reference hierarchies, enabling this option allows Simulink to build multiple referenced models simultaneously. This significantly reduces the time required for diagram updates and rebuilds. Parallel builds are especially effective for models configured to run in accelerator mode, as they benefit from parallel processing during the build phase. In this demonstration, we will compare the performance of serial build and parallel build for a Simulink model that contains a hierarchy of 5 model references. First, we disable the Enable Parallel Model Reference Builds parameter in the Configuration Parameters panel and remove all the cache files. When we run the simulation, it triggers the build process and measures the time taken to build all referenced models serially. Next, we enable the Enable Parallel Model Reference Builds parameter in the Configuration Parameters panel and remove all the cache files. When we run the simulation, it triggers the build process and measures the time taken to build all referenced models in parallel. Referenced models are built simultaneously, leveraging multiple CPU cores. This chart summarizes the time spent on building the model references. As observed, parallel build is approximately 3 times faster than serial build. This example demonstrates how parallel build with model reference can save significant time during the development process. By leveraging the Enable Parallel Model Reference Builds configuration, Simulink maximizes CPU utilization, making it an excellent choice for accelerating workflows in complex models. In this session, we introduced parallel build using multiple CPU cores to speed up the model reference build process. But can we extend this approach to perform multiple simulations in parallel and further enhance productivity? Stay tuned for the next session to find out how.